Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to repot a few plants. The first plants that I will repot are the geos that I got over the weekend. I got them at Lowe's and they were in pretty bad condition, you guys. Not only did they suffer the cold during transport, but they were also overwatered. Now, as you guys know, Costa Farms, they ship their plants in coco coir and sometimes peat moss, and in this case it is coco coir. The pot is soaking wet and this is going to be a challenge. I really don't like working with wet coco coir because it's so messy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to remove the plant from the substrate, clean the roots, clean off all the rotten and decay part of the plant, and give it a really nice wash with water first, and then maybe a little bit hydrogen peroxide to kill any viruses or bacteria that are on the plant. So here I'm going to speed up a little bit and I'm just removing the wet coco coir from the plant. It is a chore to do, and I am wearing gloves for this, and I'm also wearing an apron just to prevent it from going everywhere and onto myself. After cleaning the geos thoroughly, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the coco coir 1:1 ratio with perlite. Right now, I don't have garden soil, well, not garden soil, but the mix that I usually use. So I'm just going to reuse the coco coir and mix with perlite. Now this plant came from the forests in South America. They usually grow on the bottom of the canopies of all the larger trees and shrubs, and they like a substrate that can hold on to moisture but not necessarily being wet all the time. So I think this 1:1 mixture with coco coir and perlite will do for now. I will also be adding a little bit of mycorrhiza to the substrate. Okay, one down and another one to go. I decided to grab myself 2 of the geos just in case one doesn't make it. Okay, so the next plant that we are going to repot are these variegated Hindu rope that have been broken off, and I was able to root them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to combine these two smaller pots into one. So I noticed that my monstera standleyana albo is not doing too hot. One of them have yellow leaves on the bottom, as you guys can see. So I am going to take a close inspection and see what's wrong with them. I don't see any pests, so I think it might be something to do with moisture perhaps. So I got my moisture meter out and I'm going to check the reading. Okay guys, so I think the problem is not with moisture or anything else. It's just that the plant is probably root bound. As you can see, the roots are coming out on the bottom of both plants. The last plant that I am going to repot in this video will be this succulent. It was doing very well until a couple of weeks ago. I think that either it just outgrew its pot or there's something wrong with the watering perhaps. I'm not a big person in succulent, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to repot it. As you guys can see, it already have roots and everything. All I need to do is just stick it in a pot, and I will also be using this academa, however you pronounce it, substrate. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. If you like content like this, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.